Hey, it's Filip and let's download and install Abaqus. It's very important that you download this program from the official website, which is over here, and I will provide it in the link in the description so you can access it easily. Don't download from any other website because it will be scam, so watch out for that. So let's download it. After you go to this website, just click download for free, and it will ask you to create account. You can create account with your just click create account and fill all the details over here. If you want to test this program and you don't want to add your official mail, we can always go with the temporary mail and log in with that. You can use this temporary email address for any other purpose, but let's go with this. If you get this pop-out window, just click block. You can click here to register to the terms and conditions and accept all the cookies. And if you want to download the Abaqus Learning Edition, you need to click on this big image. Or if you want to download this Studio Suite Learning Edition, also you need to click over here. For example, let's go with the Learning Edition. Click it and it will open a new website. You'll go here and it will said we did not find any supported software, blah blah blah. We click here free download, and over here we will download this Simulia Abaqus. Over here just click accept the license agreement. I must say that I was downloading and installing lots and lots of software during my computer lifetime, and this here is one of the, I must say, the worst user experiences I go through my entire life. This is absolutely the worst. So you have over here a product line, and we have a release here and the level here, and you can choose this. And so it's nothing, it's so simple like this. You need to click here on this little icon, and you can see on the top right corner here downloading progress, and we need to wait for 4.3 gigabytes to install this. After the download is complete, and you can click over here show in folder, and it will show where you download, and it's a local disk. So I will put this on my desktop here, and now double click the zip file. I hope you have the zip. If you don't, make sure to download the 7-zip from internet. It's open source program, so it will help you with these zipped files. And inside this zipped file, double click it, double click everything, and drag it to your desktop again to extract it. And depending on the speed of your processor, you will see how much it will take to copy all those files outside the zip, because we can't install while it's in a zip state. Okay, after that, open your new folder, and over here we have installation guide and setup. So double click this setup, click yes, and over here you can choose where to save your program. I will browse to my D, local disk D, and click select folder and click next. After that, as you can see, we need to download and install Java. So click on this link here, and it will open it up. We need to accept all, and here we can download the compressed RPM, compressed Archidebian package, RPM package. And over here, instead Linux and Mac. If you're on a Mac, make sure that you're on a Mac. I'm on Windows, I click Windows, and over here you can download the compressed archive. So click it here, and it will start the downloading process here. After this download, click it here and click it here on this show in folder, and also drag it to your desktop like this, and open it up and extract it just like we did with Abaqus. We can close this. If that's the issue, go to desktop, go to JDK, and click select folder and click next, and you will get this: do you want to allow public and to access this app? Click allow, and we will now choose your default Abaqus working directory. This is the directory that will contain your Abaqus job file, so go browse, and we go to local disk D, and we'll select this folder and click next. Space required 9.39 and click install. And as you can see, product installation verification results is complete, so hit continue. Over here you can see that installation is complete. Hit close. And now if you want to open the file, select here start Abaqus. If you want, click here and you will get this program. Just close this, maximize, and your program is here. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below, drop some subscribes and likes, and see you in the next video.